Here's how to go from this to this in Bambu Studio. Click on the arrow next to the File tab and select Preferences. Then scroll down till you see Dark Mode. You can also use this slider to be faster. Check the box next to Enable Dark Mode, and you will see that it will switch to the dark version immediately. Click here to close the menu. And enjoy this dark Bambu Studio. The next time you open Bambu Studio, it will be dark again and again until you switch back. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.